In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play custom missions in GTA 5 Online. So you can play custom community-made missions very easily. So the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser. And this works, by the way, on PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. But you need to come to a web browser on PC and type in Rockstar Games. Once you've done that, you've probably already got an account and you're probably logged in already. If you play GTA Online often, you will already have a Rockstar account. You can go ahead and sign in the top right hand corner. Once you're signed into this, you need to go to Games, then click GTA 5. Then from here, go to Community, go to Jobs, then click Browse All Jobs. Here you can then see all of the jobs available, but if you want to play custom missions, click on the Filter tab in the top right hand corner, then change from any job type to Mission. Here you can then filter even more for things like the creation date. I'm going to put any time and we're going to sort by popular. Here you can then find custom missions. You can scroll through these and you can see the likes and dislikes. So if we wanted to play this one, we could go ahead and click on it and then click bookmark job. Once you've got it bookmarked, head back into GTA. Now, once you are in GTA, you need to open a new online session. Then go to Jobs, Play Job, Bookmarked, and here you will find your bookmarked mission. Now if it isn't showing here, then what you need to do is go ahead and exit out of GTA Online and then restart online. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see your bookmarked mission. As you can see, I've got a couple of bookmarked races here, but it works the same for missions. You're just going to have to restart and it will then show. So that's how you do it.